What's good, people? It's your boy Ferocious Mellow, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, I just wanna share with you guys my knowledge on market structure. So what is a market structure? A market structure is how the market looks like, right? So we have a we have an uptrending market, and then we have a downtrending market, then we have a ranging market, consolidating market. So when you see something like this, so whenever you see something like this in the market, so first of all, when you're about to analyze the market, you first need to understand where the market is going. Is it uptrending, or is it downtrending, or is it consolidating, meaning it's not going anywhere, it's just bouncing back like up and down, it's not going anywhere. But if like the market is moving to the upside, you want to see the low, right? Then you want to see the lower highs and the you want to see the higher highs and the lower highs, right? And then when it's downtrending, you want to see the lower highs and the lower lows, right? So whenever
this is happening, we actually have
in the market, then it's more clear to us to see where the next move is, right? So and then when we mix these things together, right? When we mix these things together, we get a full market structure, right? When we mix the downtrending market, the uptrending market, and the consolidating market, ranging market, whatever you want to call it, we get a market structure, right? So within the market structure, we get concepts like break of structure, like change of character, or market structure shifts, or we get FVG, which is fair value gap, we get order blocks, we get a lot of things within these kind of structures, right? So to be clear with you guys, let me just move this real quick and do this. So we are having an a ranging market first, right? We're having a ranging market, and then we break the resistance level, which is this one. We break it, and then we continue to the upside, creating higher highs and lower highs, right? Creating sort of this pattern, right? And then after that, we have our high, all-time high, right? After that, we get a market structure shift, meaning we break the previous low, right? Once we break it, we call it a market structure shift. This pattern causes the market to change direction to create a downtrending market, right? Sort of this way. So we have something like this, right? We have something like this. We have our resistance, we have our support, right? and then we have
breakout structures.
and every pair, any pair you can choose. So this can be an order block. Every time the market it changes direction of an order block or of an favorite gap or anything that can affect the markets, right? So I'm just gonna go through live examples. I'll go on GBP USD, for example, right? Okay, so as we proceed in a live example, we have this uptrend. We have a ranging market, right? We have a ranging market in which the market is not going anywhere. It's just bouncing back and forth, and then we start to break the level, right? Then we start creating higher highs and lower highs, right? After creating that, we start ranging again, right? And then we break structure, right? We break structure, meaning we create a change of character, and then after that we retest order block, and then we start creating lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, something like that. And then after that you wanna see where your change of character is, which is here, right? This is a change of character right there. And then an order block is something like this. Where is this thing? We have our order block right here. We have our order block right here. There's so many order blocks, but you will figure out which one you want, which one you like. But the truth is, every time you get an order block, you will see the market reacting to it very fast, and you'll get sniper entries if you pay attention. So the truth is, after that we create the break of structures going straight to the downside, right? Even on the uptrending movement, we get our break of structures. So yeah, and again, this happens on every market or every time frame. I can go through 5 minutes time frame. On a 5 minutes time frame, you would see that this is happening on each and every market. First of all, you'll see a ranging market, right? See a ranging market, and then we break it to the upside, or sometimes you'll see a break to the downside, but for this instance you'll see it, and then start creating our levels to the upside, right? Create our levels, right? So only if we break this this low, then we will get a change of character. If we break it, but we didn't. So what do? It's a waiting game. You wait until you see sort of a change of character. So yeah, this is a simple thing, simple strategy, and I'm sure it has worked for everyone who pays attention. So yeah, it's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and yeah, see you again next time.